Fertilizing your lawn during the fall is nothing but beneficial and serves multiple purposes. With Lawnify Fertilizer, your lawn will get the nutrients it needs to recover from the stressful heat of the summer and prepare for winter dormancy. In fact, properly fertilizing your lawn now will actually help it green up better next spring. Start by making monthly applications of the Lawnify Fall Fertilizer Box. Lawnify is easy. It attaches to your hose and covers up to 5,000 square feet per bottle. In the early fall, you will start off with applying Boost to revitalize the green leaf blade color after the heat of summer. The rapid green up of your lawn will last from the time of application through the remainder of the growing season with Boost Time Release Formula. In the mid-fall, make an application of the second bottle in the box, Maintain, for well-balanced nutrition. Maintain serves to help with color retention late into the cooler months ahead, and fortifies the root system to help it survive throughout dormancy or snow. In the late fall, apply Recover to prepare your lawn for environmental stressors for this colder weather. For those who prefer traditional granular fertilizer applications instead, use Lawnify's newest addition to the product line, Lawnify Foundation. With a 2905 NPK formulation, Lawnify Foundation is the perfect granular fertilizer for lawns and gardens. Each 25-pound bag of Lawnify Foundation covers 5,000 square feet and feeds for 3 months. Lawnify uses patented nano-fertilizers with Catalyst technology to promote a healthy lawn with nutrients designed to keep your lawn thriving all year long. You can learn more about the Lawnify program at lawnify.com or by viewing the link in this video's description about granular versus liquid fertilizers. Be sure to visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Empire, Innovation, and Zoysia for more information. If you have a different kind of Zoysia, refer to our generic Zoysia maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our fall maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for Zoysia lawns.